It's a real pleasure to be here. We're at a train facility inside an airport in the middle of Orlando, one of the hottest tourist areas in the country. So Basecamp is a 62-acre, 135,000 square foot, $100 million investment. It's a state-of-the-art facility where we are going to maintain our trains. Now, we called it Basecamp. If any of you are into mountaineering or doing any difficult things, Basecamp is where you get your crew ready, you get your equipment ready for the expedition ahead. And all of our trains, we can maintain up to 16 trains here. All of our trains will come back here in the evenings to be maintained and taken care of. This is where we refresh food and beverage, get the team organized, get fresh crews on board, and complete the mission of connecting South Florida and Central Florida every single day.
We're in 138,000 square feet of space in this building. There's a few auxiliary buildings as well. There's an admin building attached to us. There's a train wash building that is right down here. This is the main maintenance building, but there's also a wheel truer building that is attached to this. There is a sanding pit. There's a fueling station. And all of those facilities are right on this 62-acre campus.